Your grill game called, it wants an upgrade. From prep to plate to cleanup, Grillbot makes grilling smarter, easier, safer, and a whole lot more fun. Start with the Grillbot Smart Apron, your all-in-one grilling assistant. Light up the grill, stream your music, take a call, track your temp. Keep your tools right where you need them. It keeps you organized, hands-free, and in control. Then the Grillbot fliptray, the 4-in-1 barbecue command center built for real grillers. Load raw food on one side, let juices drain below, then flip to the clean cook side when it's time to serve. Less mess, less hassle. No cross-contamination. And with built-in tool storage, cutting board space, and serving power all in one, it takes you from kitchen to grill to table without missing a beat. When the heat turns up, grab the Grillbot heat shield. It helps block high heat, flare-ups, and greasy splatter so you can flip, baste, and grill with confidence. It slips onto your favorite grilling tools in seconds and grips tight, so protection stays right where you need it. And when the cooking's done, let the Grillbot automatic grill cleaning robot do the dirty work for you. Meet the Grillbot, the triple-motor automatic grill cleaning robot that scrubs your grill grates clean, so you can stay with your guests instead of stuck scrubbing at the grill. Forget messy, back-breaking scrubbing. Triple rotating nylon brushes move Grillbot across the grill surface, powering through grease, grime, and even burnt-on chunks. See the difference for yourself. A grill so clean, it practically shines. This is smarter grilling from start to finish. Prep smarter, grill smarter, protect smarter, and clean smarter with Grillbot. Grillbot makes the perfect gift for the griller in your life. Shop the full lineup at grillbots.com. Whether you want one game-changing tool or the whole Grillbot setup, it's all waiting for you at Grillbots. You can also click the QR code on your screen or search for Grillbot on Amazon. However you shop, get the smarter way to grill with Grillbot today.